I'm now going to attend the Fendi Holiday Roma Christmas event. I can't wait to go to the store now to look at the Christmas decoration and also for the handcrafting for the events and also for Christmas preparation. Yeah, stay tuned.
Everywhere. I mean, it depends. Maybe you can say, okay, I could only suppose here. I need a big group and then a small group. It's just the way you feel and you like it. You can say, okay, here I put a ribbon, for example, and then you put one.
刚刚 Fenty 那个 event 呢就结束了，回到家就是就化妆，然后就现在是素颜的情况，因为我整天都是化妆，所以就回到家就第一件事情就是卸妆哦，然后这个就是我刚才在 Fenty 做的 end result，你看我加了那些 Jingle Bell 那种，然后就加这个金色的叶皮。还有这些 shiny 的东西，是不是很美？我可以挂在那个就是门那边，我也可以挂在 Christmas tree 那边，也可以就是放在家 decoration 这样子。So thank you Fendi for this present and also for inviting me to the event. Hope to see you guys in my next video and I'll be here wishing you guys Merry Christmas and also Happy New Year. Subscribe and on notification and remember to comment. See you, bye.